Hey there! Today I'll walk you through the steps to reset your recommended videos on YouTube. If the suggested content isn't quite aligning with your interests, it's time to refresh the algorithm. Let's get started. First, open YouTube on your device and tap your profile icon. Then, select the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings. Scroll down until you find the Your Data in YouTube section and tap on it. This will display all the data linked to your YouTube account, including your watch and search history. To reset your recommendations, you'll need to clear both histories. Start with your watch history by selecting Manage YouTube Watch History. Then tap the Delete button and confirm. This will erase your entire watch history. Next, move on to clearing your search history. Scroll down to YouTube Search History, tap Manage Search History, and delete it the same way. By removing both histories, you're giving YouTube a fresh start in tailoring recommendations to your current preferences. The next time you open the app, you'll see a brand new set of suggestions based on your latest activity. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.